Welcome back to your mission room tutorial series. I'm James from Prescience, and in this video we're going to be walking through the mission launcher and the two formats that it's available in. Remember that we talked about the launchers in the tutorial video about the infrared pens. Some of this will be a bit of a recap of that. I've also zoomed in on screen 1 for the purpose of this tutorial. Now, it is my strongest piece of advice when using the pens to take the lid off the pen. The pen functionality only works in touch mode when the lid is off. Start by touching and holding the pen on the screen, and what will appear is a small round object we call the Radial launcher. You can also see the rocket launcher over to the left of screen 1, which is an alternative way of accessing your pen's functions. You will see that you have 4 main function icons, plus a settings cog and a big red X. That red X is your ejector seat, so to speak, so don't use it yet, we will be using it in a little bit. First, we have the pen icon at the top. Touching this pen icon, it takes you into pen mode. It gives you a few superpowers for your infrared pen. Working from left to right, you've got the following functions. You have point and select. You've got freehand mode, keyboard mode, eraser, color palette, and you have delete or bin, and then finally you've got the save. The next icon around the Radial launcher wheel, moving clockwise, is the screen layout icon. This layout mode, it essentially allows you to throw an application across the 3 screens. You can actually choose which screens you want it on. So you can have it on screen 1 only, you can throw it onto screen 2 as well, or across all 3. You will note that you cannot launch a separate application through the middle of an application that's across all 3 screens. So you can't have that middle screen show something else. The third icon on your Radial launcher wheel is the magnifying glass. I mean, that is pretty self-explanatory, but you can use it to zoom in on things. So the fourth and the final application on our Radial launcher wheel, it is the Radial launcher application launcher. Now, it is very similar to the Windows Explorer launcher by design. So we'll tap on it and you can see it is actually quite familiar. And it is meant to be familiar. The look and the feel of the Radial launcher application launcher, it is quite similar to Windows Explorer, but launching an application through this mode, it actually launches it across the full 3-screen mission room mode. Moving on, lastly, you will see a settings icon in the top right corner. And that is our settings cog. It allows us to essentially configure any of our launchers. So we'll tap on that, and this is the interface that you get. And we can go into detail in another video. Let's have a quick look now at your rocket launcher. You can see it's formatted slightly differently to the Radial launcher, but after all that awesome explaining, you should already recognize all of the rocket launcher's functionality. You can flip between which launcher is active by using the horizontal ladder icon right here. And if you want to reinitiate both launchers to be available to you, you need to do that through the settings cog right here. So I'll show you the horizontal ladder switching. So there's our Radial. I hit the horizontal ladder and back to the rocket launcher. Horizontal ladder, back to the Radial launcher. All right, I'll show you now how to activate both at the same time. Go to settings, scroll down, and where it says application menu style, just select Radial menu and side menu and hit save right here. That way we can have our rocket launcher available and simultaneously bring up our Radial launcher. So that's how to interact with your mission room environment using the infrared pens. Don't forget to like and share this video, and of course stay tuned for more in our very next tutorial, and don't lose your lid.